Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle, a Four Stars Sudoku. Four Stars Sudoku in the additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday, June the 19th, 2024. We have here one puzzle solved, the 3-star Sudoku. So 3 puzzles are left: the binary, the jigsaw Sudoku, and the 4-star Sudoku. It's time for the 4-star Sudoku. And this will be number 8751. 8751. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4-star puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 1s. We have here 3 2s. No, correction. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 2s. All right. 1 3. 2 4 4s. All right. 4 5s. Well. 2 6s. 2 7s. 2 8s. And no, 4 7s. All right. And 1 9. So the 2s, the 4s, the 5s, and the 7s are a majority. Can I start with the 2? Let me see. Yeah. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2, 2. 2. 2, 2, 2. Cannot continue with the 2 now. Need to wait. How about the 4s then? 4 in the third column. 4 in the first column. So the column 3 in the second column. The only place left 4. It should be there. All right. Okay. Then, let me see. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So last column, the only place left 4, it should be there. 4 4 4 4 4 4 4. Well, need a 4 there. In this column, we have here 1 2 3 4 5 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is say 4. Here can be 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. Here can be 4. We have a 4 in the third row, no 4 there. Well, made a mistake. I made a mistake here. Yeah, I need to wait here. Correction. Start again. In this column, no. Need a 4 here. And I need a 4 there. And I need a 4 there. No, I cannot do anything with the 4. I need to wait. How about the 5s then? The 5s. Need a 5 there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the second row, no 5 in these 2 boxes. We have 5 in this column, no 5 in those 3 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 5 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. The only place left for the 5, it should be there. 5 5. Well, here or there. Need to wait again. How about the 7s? 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So the row between the only two places left of 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only two places left of 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below. The only two places left of the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. 7. Cannot continue with the 7 now. Need to wait. Overlooked. 2 in the first row, 2 in that row, so the row between the middle row. Only two places left of the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the second column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. Overlooked. Okay. Need a 2 here. 2, need a 2 there. Need a 2 here. Need a 2 here. About the 5, need a 5 there. Need a 4. 4 here. 4 there. And a 4 here. In this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. Nope, one of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the last row, no 4 there. We have a 4 in the row above, no 4 there. Here can be 4, we have 4 in this row, no 4 there. So the 4 could be here, or there in this column. Here, or there. We see a 4 in the first row, no 4 there. 4 in the third row, no 4 there. So the only place left of 4 should be there. Okay. Alright, need a 3 here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 in these. 2 boxes, so the 3 in this big square could be here. Could be there. 3 in this column, 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So the last column, the only place left of the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left now in the last column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 7 and 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have 9 in the third row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 6 goes there. Alright. Then, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 in these 3 boxes. We have a 6 in the second column. No 6 in those 3 boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. 6 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left of 6 should be there. Alright. Then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 in these 2 boxes. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 in those 3 boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 6 in this column, 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So it'll come next. The only 2 places left of the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the third row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 6. We have a 6 in the first row, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. Well, 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 7. We have a 1 and a 7 in the second row, so no 1 and 7 in these 2 boxes. 1 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 7, 1 and the 7. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in the second row are the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8. 9 is missing, 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Alright. Then 3, 3. Well. How about need a 7 there. Need an 8 there. Need 8 there. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in the first column, no 8 in these 2 boxes. We have 8 in this row, no 8 in that box. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. We have a pair. The 7 and 8 in the first column. the 7 and 8 in one of those two boxes in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only two places left of 7 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. Alright. Then two numbers left now in the second column. For numbers 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. One box left now in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing here. Okay. Need a 9 there. The 9 here. The 9 there. Well, 9, 8. Come on. In the 5 here. Also, come on. let me see. 11 minutes already passed. You have all the 7s now. In the 2 there. Yeah, 2 in the first row. 2 in one of those two boxes in the second row. So in the third row. Only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the third column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2. 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. We have a 3 in the first row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. Alright. I need a 5 here. Together with the 8. 5 and 8 in the first column. 5 and 8 in one of those two boxes in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 places left for the 5 and 8 goes in these 3 boxes. 5 and 8, 5 and 8, 5 and 8. And look, we have 5 and 8 in this row, so no 5 and 8 in this box. 5 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. So 1 digit left in the third column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8. 9 is missing here. Yeah, the 9. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2 and 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have 3 in the last row. No 3 there. 3 should be here and 1 goes there. So we have a 3 in the last row. 3 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the middle column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 3 should be there. And I've marked those 2 boxes with the 3. We have the 3 now in this row. No 3 there, 3 should be there. Alright. And now. Let me see. Yeah. Come on. How about? Need a 1 here. Need a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Need an 8 here. Ay. 4 in the last row. 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for 4 is should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 in that row, no 4 there. The only place left for the 4 is should be there. Then 6 and 2 missing numbers in the middle row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9. We have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 6 goes there. So we have a 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for 6 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for my 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 and 8, we have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes in there. 1 box left in this row for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8. 9 is missing here. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Wow. Here should be also 1 and 8. 2 numbers left in this row for the most. The 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 1 goes there. And then let me see. How about the 5? I need a 5 here. 2 missing numbers in this column for the most. The 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square. I believe 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row, so no row between only 2 places left. 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 5 and 8, we have a 5 now in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here and 8 goes there. 1 or an 8, we have an 8 here, so this box should be a 1. 1 and an 8, we have a 1 here, so this box should be an 8. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 and a 7, we have a 1 in the third row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 and 8, we have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. And the 2 numbers left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8, we have 8 in the third row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. And the final number in this big square, I believe, is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 8, 8, 8. Correct in 16 minutes. Well, we solve it again. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes. Otherwise, it will be a 1 star if I'm faster than 50 minutes. So I'm very well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.